Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi POCO X7 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings option. In it we tap on family, parental controls, and there, as you can see, now we have PG3. To change it, tap on it and we can easily change it from PG3 to allow all included unrated, confirm we are safe, or we can turn off our parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!